Here's how you can use AI to summarize 1 hour of YouTube videos into TikToks. If you want to generate clips or TikToks from long YouTube content, this is how you can do it by using AI. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for Opus Pro or Opus Clip. You'll be directed to the main Opus Clip website. This is the AI tool that we would be using in order to generate clips and TikToks from longer YouTube content. You'll need to sign up, so click on sign up. It's free from the top right corner. You can add in your email address in order to sign in, or just continue with Google or your Apple account. Now when you're on the main page, what you'll need to do is drop the link of the YouTube video you want to clip out. Just paste your link here. Once it's loaded up, you'll be able to change the processing time frame of it. You can change the presets if you want. As you can see, there's a Mr. Beast preset and all the other ones. Once you've selected all the options, just click on Get Clips in one click. And as you can see in your All Projects tab, it will be added up as a project. It will tell you an estimated time for your project. Once it's done, you'll see clips that have been taken out of your YouTube video. You can easily download the clips from here, and that is how you can use AI in order to take out clips and TikToks from longer YouTube content. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.